Hey everyone, it's Alex from Radd, and we are here today to look at the Superman Justice, and we're going to go with the ice crystal version. So keep watching and we'll let you know what we think. All right everyone, so we're back. As I said, we are looking at the Superman Justice, and this is the ice crystal version. We're going to be looking at this one. This is a concept by David Finch, and this is part of the Trinity. So you've got the Batman Sanity, you've got the Wonder Woman Courage, and then you've got the Superman Justice. So it shows them with each of their foes in there. This is an edition size of 106. And this is the variant, obviously, of the color version. So we've covered this several times before, but we just wanted to do another video just to let you know that this is going to be released in Q4 2025 to Q1 2026. So that's when the planned scheduled release is from XM. Let's take a look at this, just kind of give more of a showcase, kind of looking up and down. Again, this is the prototype, so there may be some seams, some chips. Some of these pieces were just glued in because the guy was a little heavy-handed with it, and it won't be this time. So what we do is, start down. So with the base here, this is obviously the Fortress of Solitude. You got this kind of rock, then going into the ice crystals, and you move into, the piece which is, Superman is the focal point, which is the same with the Batman Sanity, the same with the Wonder Woman Courage marble version. Sanity is the smoke version, and this is the ice crystal version. So the focus is on the hero. Personally, of the three variants, I think this is my least favorite of the variants. I think the Wonder Woman with the ice crystal, the marble, I think that does really work. And it looks almost like quite an arty piece. You could probably get away with that in some kind of gallery. I think the Sanity, because of the concept of that being in his mind, whether the villains are kind of messing with him constantly mentally, that really works as a smoke. I find this one harder to kind of distinguish between the characters and kind of split them up as such. So yeah, it's my least favorite of the three in that regard, and I do think the color version is a better version, but we're going to do another video about that. So as you see, this is the Superman and however many characters there are. Let's have a little count of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 characters with that. And Stuart Murray's going to really hate me for all this because I'm not even going to try and name all of these characters because I will mess it up. But there are some great kind of elements to it. And I think there is quite good balance to the characters with this one. I do think there are some characters who are a little bit too similar, but then that's just like, the way it is with the Superman kind of world. You've got like the three in the Superman costumes and things. But anyway, one of the things that does bother me a little bit, and again, I hope they do change this in the production piece, and it is on both the color and this version, is Superman nails. They're literally silver, like a gray silver. So I don't know if he's got like frostbite being in the Fortress of Solitude, but yeah, and also his lips are a little purple as well. So maybe it's really cold there and he's affected by it. Yeah, and getting his power from the sun. So yeah. The Superman figure is nice. Great colors on there, great shading, and it does really pop against the ice kind of the base. But yeah, personally, I just don't know. It's bigger than the others as well. The footprint looks bigger, and I just think that out of the three, this is my least kind of favorite of the variants. So yeah, I mean, let's wrap it up there. I mean, I think with this piece, it's a really, really epic piece, and I think if you do have the Trinity, it will look actually really nice together. But I do think of the Trinity, the actual variant version. I think this is kind of the weakest one. I think the marble works with Wonder Woman. I think the smoke works with Batman, but I do prefer the actual color version of the Superman. So I don't, I think it'd be awkward if you kind of order two of one and one of the other. And I do think as well, you have to be a real kind of big Superman fan to order this. It's Joe Murray. And yeah, so with that in mind, I have to say I think the color one is the one for me. I think this one has enough separation in it to work better than the actual ice crystal version. And I do think that sometimes with the ice crystal version, it's just a little difficult to make out the characters. So yeah, I'm going to go that way really. Anyway, I'll wrap it up there. So let me know what you think, anyone. Let me know if you got this on order. This is just going to repeat. This is for Q4 to Q1 2026. So Q4 2025 to Q1 2026. And yeah, anyone who's got this on order, it'd be great to see this in your collection. See what other pieces you have, and let us know. Let us know in the comments what you think about it. So take care, everyone. Do the usual like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching. Take care.